To edit the caption of a photo you have already posted, you are going to go to your personal profile and click on the photo. In the top corner, you're going to see 3 dots. You'll click on that and click where it says edit. When you click on where it says edit, you can then do anything to your post to edit the caption. You can edit the entire caption, delete it, create an entirely new caption. It is completely up to you. This can be done on something that is already posted a long time ago or recently. So you will then type in your new caption. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see where it says done. Once you click on that, it'll take a little bit to load, and then your new caption will now be created.